Assalamualaikum. My name is Syermin Aqhimi Qori Suahili, and today I will talk about the bank history, organizational structure, key financial indicators, and market positioning of Maybank. So, the bank of history, Maybank. Maybank, also known as Malayan Banking Berhad, that started on 12 September 1969 by Khoo Teck Puat. Maybank becomes widespread within a year, where they open more branches in Singapore, Brunei and London, and they also achieved it in first year. Maybank also introduced new banking platform, which is Maybank to You. The second one is organizational structure. Maybank's organizational structure is led by the board of directors and group of CEO. They divided into specialized business areas such as community banking, global banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and insurance that's supported by non-business departments, for example, HR, tech, and legal, to ensure efficiency, innovation, and compliance. The third one is key financial indicators. The total net profit of 9.35 billion earned by Malaysia by Maybank in fiscal 2022, with total assets exceeding 9,000 billion. Maybank reaffirmed its position as Malaysia's largest banking group. Last but not least, the market positioning of Maybank. Maybank is the biggest bank in Malaysia by metrics of assets, market capitalization, and client base, where they also introduced new digital platform, which is Maybank to You, that we use nowadays to pay online transaction.
Hello and good morning everyone. Hi, my name is Aidylson and today I am going to present about Maybank product and its services. The first product of Maybank is current and savings account. As for current and savings account, Maybank provide both conventional and Islamic option. One of their prominent design is the Maybank to You and also MAE apps, which is actually modern due to its e-wallet and budgeting capabilities. It can be accessible via their smartphone app and it is very easy to open. However, the drawback is that the interest or profit rate is somewhat modest and there can be fees if you exceed the free transaction limit. Although they might not offer as many varieties, Islamic one like ZI are suitable for Muslim consumers because they adhere to Sharia law. The second one is debit and credit card. Maybank provide many types of card. Their credit card offer cashback, treat points, and even installment plan using Easy Pay. Example of this card are the Maybank 2 card and the Ikhwan iCard for Islamic consumer. It is very helpful if you manage your money well. The issue is that the interest can add up if you don't pay the entire amount. Debit cards are useful for everyday purposes because it is directly linked to your bank account. But to be honest, they don't come with the privilege that credit card provides. Next is SME. Maybank SME digital financing is useful if you own a business. Even if you're not Maybank customer, you can quickly obtain a loan without collateral. It actually helps small enterprise who require funding quickly. However, compared to secured loan, the interest rate may be greater. Additionally, they provide Biz Channel Alliance Maybank, which facilitate business management, transfer, and salary payment. Although not all functions are free, it can be first confused despite its convenience. The fourth product is online banking. As we know, online banking is widely used currently, especially between the Gen Z. Maybank Digital also offering have been significantly improved. You can split bills, scan the Do It Now QR code, check balance, transfer your money, and even keep tabs on your spending with the Maybank to You apps, website, and also MAE apps. Additionally, Secure to You offer an additional degree of security. You can also do all of your banking from your phone. However, internet access is very essential and upgrade can occasionally causes issues. Next is investment and wealth management. For your information, both conventional and Islamic unit trust fund are offered by Maybank through Maybank Asset Management. They are excellent for beginners because you can diversify and your money is probably handled by the expert. However, there is always market risk and management costs might reduce your profit. You can also attempt premier or private banking if you're wealthy. Admission requirements are stiff, but you will get exclusive services and a personal advisor. Last but not least, for your information, there are also other services that are being provided by Maybank. For your information, Maybank offers trustee services, offshore banking, venture capital, leasing, and hire purchase. For the hire purchase, it is suitable for purchasing large machinery or automobile. Business or individual with more complicated financial demand are better suited for this. They may not be very helpful for typical client. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, the profound impact of digitization on the bank product and service. Digitization on the bank product and service means that bank nowadays use artificial intelligence to replace the old way that is efficient. For example, if you want to do loan application, you need to go to the bank. But nowadays, you can only do it online. This has eventually influenced customer behavior. As you can see, customers prefer to use digital channel. Majority of Maybank customers use the Maybank to You or MAE apps for daily transactions. Visiting the branch physically became less frequent and only been reserved for complex matters like company account opening or in-depth financial advisor service. Next, it influenced the banking operation. Digitalization has increased operational efficiency to reduce costs. Maybank has employed robotic process automation, which is RPA, and AI to do all the transactions. This will reduce manual error that have been conducted by human employee before and speed up the process. This will optimize the physical branch network by increasing digital channel reach. The branch can be transformed into the function advisory center. Next, it influenced the overall financial planning. Maybank financial landscape has changed as a result of the cumulative effect of the digitization on consumer impact and banking operation. Revenue growth from digital channels means that the digital transaction volume, uptake of digital product, and new digital revenue stream has increased. The profitability has been improved in terms of operational efficiency and cost reduction from automation and digital adoption. New customer has been attracted to the seamless and convenient digital banking experience and still have retained the existing one. This has led to a larger customer base and customer relationship.
So let's move on to the performance evaluation. So when we evaluate a bank's performance, we focus on several critical areas that define its financial health. So let's look at Maybank's highlight. First, in profitability, we observe that net profit margin which improved slightly from 49% in 2023 to 47% in 2024. While these specific figures might seem unusual, understanding their complete context is vital for a comprehensive view. So next, for liquidity, Maybank demonstrates strong and stable performance. The loan to deposit ratio, or we call it as LDR, slightly decreased from 91.7% in 2023 to 90.7% in 2024, indicating effective management or fund and strong capacity to meet the obligation. And then moving on to the asset quality and risk management, Maybank excels their gross impaired loans ratio remained very low at 1.5% in both years, showing a healthy loan book. Furthermore, the loan loss coverage, or we call it as LLC, ratio significantly improved from 98.7% to an impressive 104.9%, so highlighting robust provisions against potential losses. In capital adequacy, Maybank maintains a very strong position. Their total capital ratio rose from 18.2% in 2023 to 18.4% in 2024, consistently well above regulatory minimums, which provides a strong buffer against any financial shocks. Finally, management soundness is evident across all these areas. Maybank's leadership has shown its capability in adapting to market conditions, prudently managing risk, and ensuring the bank's overall stability. So in conclusion, our overall assessment indicates that Maybank is a financially strong and resilient institution. Its performance across these key areas demonstrates that it is prudently managed, with effective strategies in place for financial stability, risk control, and sustainable growth in the future.
Now, let's consider what this financial indicator reveals about management soundness. Despite the expected decline in net interest income, a common trend in setting rate environments, our management demonstrates remarkable foresight. They successfully boosted net non-interest income, showcasing outstanding adaptability and strategic agility in diversifying our revenue streams beyond traditional lending. The consistently low post-impaired loans (GIL) ratio and the significantly improved loan loss coverage (LLC) ratio exceeding 100% clearly highlight a high priority on credit quality and exceptionally prudent risk management. This reflects rigorous lending standards and proactive provisioning. Furthermore, the strong, steadily growing capital adequacy ratios underscore the management's unwavering commitment to maintaining a robust capital base. This ensures our ability to withstand economic shocks, support future growth, and secure long-term stability. In summary, our key findings highlight Maybank's core strength: stable operational efficiency. Our consistent profit margin prove the resilience of our core business. Adaptive revenue streams. We have successfully diversified, reducing reliance on single income sources. Strong asset quality. Our loan book is healthy, backed by excellent risk control and provision. Robust capital base. We possess significant financial strength to support growth and absorb potential losses. Effective liquidity management. Our balanced approach ensures stability and depositors' confidence. And last but not least, resilient profitability. Despite market shifts, Maybank maintains a strong overall financial performance. The analysis of Maybank's performance between 2023 and 2024 reveals a financial numbers. and well-managed institutions. Despite its slight dip in overall net profit and net interest income in 2020, the bank's strategic agility and diversification were evident through an increase in non-interest income. A consistently strong asset quality, high capital adequacy, and prudent liquidity management underscore the effectiveness of its risk management frameworks. This demonstrates a leadership team focused on long-term stability and sustainable growth. Maybank continues to solidify its position as a leading financial institution, adept at navigating dynamic market environments and consistently delivering value to its stakeholders. Furthermore, its ongoing emphasis on digitalization plays a significant role in enhancing operational efficiency and expanding its customer base, strate- strategically positioning the bank for the future challenges and opportunities within the evolving financial landscape.